Back at it with another video, Flay Media. In today's production news and freebies, we're going to be diving into what's new in Maschine 3.0 software. And also we're going to be diving into 2 free plugins you must try out. And if this is your first time joining me, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, comment below. Let's get into the production news with the MK3. Alright, so what's new in Maschine 3.0 software like DAW application designed to work as a counterpart as a Maschine controllers. So although it was originated in 2010, Maschine has primarily positioned it as a beat making tool. Modern version of the software was designed as a one-stop shop in producing electronic music, offering sequencing, sampling, built-in synths, track arrangements, and mixing tools. Version 3 brings several refinements to the Maschine workflow, but the most notable features are the addition of stem separation powered by iZotope RX. The library is pretty much changed just a little, but over the last 11 years, 2.0 software has received numerous upgrades and new features along the way. The latest iteration was 2.18. There's no doubt a full update has been long overdue. Unlike version 2, 3 doesn't launch aside any new hardware. So is it worth purchasing the MK3 hardware? You let me know what's new with Maschine. Let's check out the stem separation. All right, the stem separation is great for producers that want to use loops. You know, that's basically what it is. You know, use loops and be able to separate the stem separation, but obviously each Maschine project contains up to 8 groups, 16 sounds. Although the Maschine hardware takes its primary inspiration from a workflow classic like the MPCs and software terms, Maschine is equally influenced by non-linear workflow like the Ableton Live. Maschine is designed primarily for use with the company's complementary controls. Version 3 is compatible with Maschine Micro, MK3, Maschine MK3 Studio, Maschine Plus. Although the hardware will not work with the MK2 and backwards, what is your thoughts on it? Will you be upgrading to the new MK3 hardware? I don't know. I know I won't at this time because stem separation is really not a big deal with me. Other than, you know, you're getting a couple of great libraries in this. And, you know, let me know what you think about the Maschine Central expansion. Is this something that you might want to consider diving into? Let me know your thoughts. Even more software includes bringing tracks to life. iZotope mastering software included free. Old favorites like the Monarch, Massive, Reactor, Prism. But, you know, it's still a tool. Whether it's stem separation or not, it's not going to make your mix stand out any better. Let me know your thoughts. Let's get into the next freebies. Next up is going to be NoiseAsh Backs EQ. This is a pull tech style EQ, and this is absolutely free. Limited time. You can get the authentic analog tones, sophisticated curves, powerful mid-band, vintage preamp, add warmth and saturation with built-in tube preamp, user-friendly GUI, and this is absolutely free for a limited time. Backstyle curves, modern enhancements. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to add a powerful and versatile equalizer to your audio toolkit. Absolutely free. And if this is giving you value, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, comment below. Next up, we're going to be talking about Waves Alchemy Magic 7. This is a reincarnation of the Bricasti M7, the famous true stereo reverb that most engineers cannot afford because it's just so expensive, and they're giving this away for absolutely free. Ambience Magic 7. Immerse your legendary Bricasti M7 reverb for free. Vocal ambience, authentic rooms, expansion halls, and warm chambers. 234 presets. Immerse your sound. You love to mix? This is going to be something that you might want to use. Non-linear space Vast cathedrals capture the full range of the M7 reverbs with exceptional depth, modern control, enhance your reverb sonic possibilities, tempo sync pre-delay, shape, smooth ducker, screenshot. Look at the screenshot. The screenshot is amazing. So let's take a listen to the Magic 7. In, out, pre-delay, low, air, ensemble, smooth, duck. Plenty of halls and chambers to get you started. Presets. Let's listen to this. Let's check out the Vox. Let's bypass the Vox. This is absolutely free. Make sure you click the like and subscribe. This track is going to be absolutely free once I hit that 1K mark. And go pick up these freebies and let me know what you think about the Maschine 3.0 software. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click the like and subscribe. And we're going to see you on the next video. Peace. Make sure you click the like and subscribe.